do not write the code in copy or notebook, okay? You will go get the code, don't worry. And you will have more sessions on JavaScript also. But first you need to see this session. Is it okay? Hello guys, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let this function in here. Okay. Are you able to watch my screen now?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just try to understand. It is very simple but very useful function. Actually, we have created a form and a single field. We have created a form and a single field. And actually, what are the things here we have done? It is a JavaScript function. Actually, all of you have written in Java. While you have written code in Java, you have used Java function. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Use Java functions in Java. While
Yes, sir.
you have written Java functions in Java programming. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You have that Java program.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can write the functions in Java, a script. We can write functions in JavaScript. Actually, we have written one single field. If you notice it, if we have written this code. And actually here,
Sir.
we
Sir,
have
the
given a
codes are
simple
not
screen. It was simple screen. We have given the value, and while we are clicking, actually
Yes, tell me, this is Shomuk sir.
Sir, the codes are not visible properly.
Codes are not visible properly, but I can see the codes very clearly. Maybe, maybe. See, 1 second. Maybe your internet is slow. Maybe. Okay. If you are unable to see the codes here, don't worry, because this code I'm. Is it Moina?
Yes, sir.
This code has been sent to your mail.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Don't worry. That I said earlier. Don't worry about the code. You just listen to him. That is the main thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
while we are clicking, it is calling the method of on click. It is calling on click, and on click, it is calling a function method. And it is calling the function method. We are getting the value. We are getting the value like this: document dot form dot my name dot value, and it is getting the value, and we are printing it. It is a name. Okay. Okay. And here now we are doing the validation. Okay, you are doing the validation. if okay, length. Hello, all of are you able to see in this screen? A pop-up is coming. Hello.
No, sir. Screen is not clear.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Actually, things is we are creating a form. We are creating a form and we will do the validation of the all fields. Okay. Field set. We are creating actually form, and actually we are creating a form. And here first we are doing the validation. Name cannot be blank. Actually, we are creating a form first.
I'm not able to see the screen. It is little bit blurry.
Okay, guys, this is Shomok sir here again. Okay, Alok sir will be joining within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, he will personally explain the whole thing. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. You have written the email IDs in chat.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, just a second. Let me send you the video and the code. See, at the end of the video, you will find one code, okay? That is the regex code, which we have to run. See, this is the initial level of training, okay? So, might be you can feel like it is not organized, but the things used to happen in like this way only, okay? Even also in better company, you won't get any, communication platform. They will just share the link, and from there only you have to study by your own. Nobody will be there to explain you. Okay, I got email ID, Rohi's email ID, Aman Singh, Joita, Trisha, and then Prapti, then Indrajit, then Obijit, then Chandan and Asmita. What about others email ID?
Sir, I am also given. I am given at the beginning itself.
Your name?
So call me Saurav, sir. Saurav Sharma.
I got your email ID also.
Okay, sir.
I got your email ID. Okay, only 10 people has been joined. Rest didn't join. Okay. Now all of you please check your email. Did you get the mail?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got the mail.
Yes, sir.
So please try to download the video.
This is a method. Actually, one click submit, we have written a function. If we do not
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have one question. Sir, you said to compile the JavaScript code in Eclipse. So, sir, which version of Eclipse we should use, that the Eclipse ID for web and JavaScript developers?
Now you can use Oxygen.
Sir, actually, I have installed. I have previously installed that Eclipse ID for Java developers, so I have to install that one separately.
See, do you have Eclipse in your laptop?
Yes, I have Eclipse ID for Java developers.
That is correct, but in that ID only you can do JavaScript, okay? But the problem is, which version of Eclipse do you have? What is the name of the version?
Sir, ID for Java developers only.
Moina, there are name of the versions, okay? There are so many versions of Eclipse, and the versions are having names. The current version which we can use, the name of the version is Eclipse Oxygen. So you have to check in the property that what is the version name, and whatever the versions you do have in your laptop, you
Okay,
can put this code also in that Eclipse only.
okay, sir.
Okay, all of you do have Eclipse in your laptop? Aman Singh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Smita, no. Then
No, sir.
anyone else?
Sir, I have, but
No,
not
sir.
installed.
Not installed. Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Rohi, do you have Eclipse?
No, sir.
Okay, let me share one link. From there, you have to download Eclipse, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So accordingly, with your Windows version, like if it is 64-bit, then you have to download the 64-bit version. If you do have 32-bit, then you have to download the 32-bit version. I think you maximum people are having 64-bit, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'm sharing the link in Zoom chat. Please check this link.
Sir.
You will see get Eclipse ID 2020 12, and it includes the JRE also. Okay, if you do have 64-bit, just click on the download button. Then one page will come. Source will be, the Japan, and no issues. Just click on the download button and it will start downloading. So here you can see a .exe file. Okay, file eclipse.exe. Did you get the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So click on the .exe. It will start downloading. Those who don't have Eclipse, please follow. It will take time to download. Okay, once you download, please search in YouTube how to install Eclipse and see the videos, then you start installing it. If you feel that you are unable to install it, do not try. Just keep it. Next day we will install. Because wrong installation will create more errors. Do you understand, Asmita and Abhijit? Abhijit, I think you can do it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, for Eclipse installation, we have to add JDK to the path. I think so.
Yes.
Manually.
Come again?
Manually, because in Eclipse installer, the JDK doesn't come with inbuilt.
No. You have to be download and manually you have to do it. That's why I told them, if you feel like you are unable to do it, do not try. We'll do in the next session. We'll take your laptop on remote and we'll do the setup.
Sir, I have Eclipse installed, but I cannot find out the version which you have told, that Oxygen version.
Okay. You have to check whether you where exactly you have kept your download file. Okay, there in the download file itself you have to see. ওই যে তোমাকে লাস্ট কালকে মিটিং আইডি দিয়েছিলাম ওই মিটিং আইডি আর কি আরেকবার দিয়ে দিচ্ছি তোমাকে দরকার হলে এক্ষুনি So Moinab, actually what you have to do, if you find out your download file, okay.
Yes, sir.
There you have to click on right click, then properties. I think you can see.
Okay, sir. Means where the Eclipse is installed.
If it is installed already, but you do have the file in your downloads, or
Yes,
maybe you have kept the file somewhere else, not
yes,
the so no, I am talking about the .exe file.
Yes, sir.
So there I think you can check the versions.
It is written as Eclipse -i installer -jre-win 64.
64. Yes.
Okay, but you cannot find any version name.
No, sir.
No, sir. I am also not finding any version name.
Okay. Let me allow Alok sir. Alok, I think you are here.
1 minute. Shomak, I'm there. Just join.
Okay. Alok, actually, some of them doesn't have Eclipse in their laptop. So I have shared them the Eclipse download link. Okay. And I told them that do not try right now. If you are able to download and install, then it's okay. Otherwise, do not try. Otherwise, it is going to be mishap. And while you are going to do the code, then you will get more errors. Better, do not try. Okay. Just download it and keep it. Next session, we will install it.
Okay, Shomak, actually, what is our planning? First, we are going to set up their machine with the Java training will be start first. What is the plan?
Exactly.
Okay, so I need to guide them about the how actually Java related software, what are the software will be set up,
Yes,
and
yes,
actually and all guidelines for them.
yes, yes.
Yes. So first of all, I want to tell everybody, Eclipse is very innocent software, so you can play with it. But the database software like the MySQL and those are the things, if it is not properly installed, you can face some problem because of the things until unless you are removing from registry of the computer, and it can create problem. But actually in Eclipse software, it is a very simple software, but actually many cases your Eclipse may not work because of the path setting. If you do not set the environment variable path, and your system cannot work. Am I audible, Shomak?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. Let me share how it is happening. Okay. The next show, actually, what are the softwares all of you have to install? First things is Eclipse is the why Eclipse. First of all of you need to know software. Eclipse software is most important software for Java development. Okay, all of you are following me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the steps and how you can install the Eclipse? And I have on simple documents also in the steps, but till it is very simple. And do I need to guide you how you will get the software? What are the things you need to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first things actually,
Yes, sir.
okay, all of you have to install in your machine Java software. So how you will get the Java software? Java software, it is very simple steps. Shomak, you can do record also. So in future, next time, it will be helpful.
Yes,
Shomak,
we
are
are
you
doing.
there?
Yes, we are doing all of.
Okay. So first things to start, we need to install Java software. Okay. In Java software, you just do Google Java. Okay. In JDK, now latest version is 15, but till I will recommend you for the timing. You can install 8 version for high 8 version, because of our company PCS Global, multiple software has been developed in Java 8 version, and 8 is very stable version. Okay, and till industry is working latest version, many version never work with the a complete latest version like 15 is the latest version, because a new version have some bug, some new enhancement, new features, until unless it makes stable. So try to avoid. Okay, so you can install in your system Java 8 or Java 9. Java 8 is better for us. It is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, if you search with you will find that this is the site. This is the direct site to get the Java software. Actually, what you need to do, since all of you are new, and first things, all of you create one account for all of you. All of you will be create a account for you, because this account will be useful for your lifelong. This account will be useful for lifelong whenever required for Java software download. So you just click here. If you use the Windows machine, if you use the Linux machine, there is other software. So use Windows 64. Click here, download. So what you need to do? You need to forget. So what will happen? The moment you just log in, a Java software will be download. Okay, a Java software will be download. Let me check. Forget option is not there. Forgot password. Okay. Okay, let me open. No, sure. Okay, on things I can guide you. Since this machine have already Java software installed, so I am going to stop and anybody can come forward and share your screen so that I can guide that. You can download, create an account, and actually it will be download your Java software. Can anybody share your screen and come forward? Hello?
Sir, I have already installed the JDK file. Can I show?
No, actually, who have not installed, they can show. Okay, anybody in 12?
Let me interrupt, Alok. Okay, okay. Rohi, can you share your screen? Rohi or Asmita, are you there?
Yes, sir, but I have installed the Java 8 version already.
Okay, so
Asmita, are you there? Asmita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen?
Ashmita, your machine have Java software installed or it is not installed?
Yes, sir. Install. Actually, Java 8 is JDK file.
Okay, Java 8 is installed, na?
Saurabh,
Anybody here
Yes, sir.
who have not installed Java software, whose machine is still not configured Java software? Anybody here?
Yes, sir. I have not installed Java.
What is your name?
Abhijit.
Obviously, share your screen, quick. Quick, share your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so create an account.
Yes.
Create an account. After this account will be helpful for you long run. Okay, job title you can write the or trainee software developer. You can write. TRAINW, trainee software.
Sorry, sir.
Trainee software developer.
Their work phone.
Yes, you can give your mobile phone. You can give the company name, PCS Global. Okay. You can give the address, DN36, Primark Tower. Primark, P-R-I-M-A-R-C, M-A-R-C, Primark. M-A-R-C. Okay. Kolkata 91. Okay, you can give the city. You can give your location. Okay, quick verify your email. Go to your email.
It's,
This is the email you have used.
yes, sir.
Obijit Mahata 78.
Sir. Not getting any mail.
Okay,
You spam.
you can check spam.
It will take a few minutes.
No, sir.
No, it should not take the few minutes. Can you click on all mail?
No, sir.
Anyway, it's peculiar. Okay, did you receive the mail? If not, click the check your spam folder, request a new verification email for up to 3 days. For up to 3 days, if you do not verify your email within 3 days, you will need to create a new account. If you payment travel account help. Can you refresh one time mail? Okay, it should be mail.
No, sir.
Can you click on spam?
No, sir. There is no mail.
No, it's peculiar. Can you check the everything, all spelling you have given right or not?
Yes, yes, sir. All right.
Okay, anyway, no issue. I will guide you. And actually the things is when you will click, it will go to the Oracle account and then moment it will be download that software. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
next you just wait, actually we'll see. And if you do not get it, definitely you need to take from others also. And there are multiple way you can, okay. Another way is very shortcut. Can you click on new tab? Here you can write the Java SDK. You can write Java SDK download. SDK download. Click on. Okay, go to scroll down. Okay, there is a scroll down java.com. Click on java.com. Okay, click on yes. Okay, here on what is the version? Go up. Java version 8, na? Only go up.
That's it, sir.
It is which version of Java? I want to check. Can you go up?
What, sir?
Scroll up.
It ends, sir. Ends here, sir.
It will go to up. Go to up. Java 64-bit recommended version Java 8. Okay. Agree and start free. Agree and click on the button. Click. Okay, so it is only GRE is loading. Okay.
Yes.
Actually, it is not SDK, Java SDK. It is a GRE. So if your machine have only GRE, till it will work also. Okay, you can click here. You can
Hello,
minimize the browser.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I tried the download section of Java SDK with the Oracle account. My account was verified from the Oracle. I verified it just now. So here it is given here that IBM SDK Java Technology Edition version 8. So I can download it, right? Okay, sir.
Okay. Click install. Okay, so it is installing GRE, not SDK, but GRE is okay for your running program. Okay, so what is written here? Java, how many years written?
25 years.
Yes, so Java is very old programming language. So it is dominating in the IT software market 25 years. So 25 years. So you just imagine how many real life projects has been developed by Java. Okay, millions project has been developed in Java technology. So these Java projects will be never die. Okay, and it will be always huge potential, and many programming languages they came to market and they finish within 2 year, 3 year, 5 year. But actually Java is never stopped and it is more growing every year. Actually they're changing a new version 1 year or 2 year, and it's still growing far actually. Okay.
Completed.
Yes, it's completed now. Now, what you need to minimize it, and I think how many of you are here knows how to configure environment variables? Anybody who here know? Okay, if you know, you can say yes. If you do not know, then you can say no.
Sir, I know.
Sir, I also know.
Okay, so why it is not only for Java. Actually, as a developer, when you will work for industry, and many cases our computer need to set environment variable and path variable and many things. Like tomorrow you will work with the server, many things configuration need to set for our computer. So I will ask actually Abhijit, you go to the my computer and everybody learn how to set variables in environment variables. Okay, many cases it will be required. And click on my computer and right click. This PC right click. Okay, everybody can note down it. All of you can note down it. Right click, go to properties. Go to properties. Okay, click on advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Now click on environment variables. Click on environment variables. Actually here a system path will be there, and actually what will happen, I am showing you and how I have set up. Just you stop screen, I am showing you and then you can set up.
Okay.
Okay, you can stop sharing. Okay, let me share. Okay, now oh, it is for me actually, it is account discount. Okay, let me share with you how to do it.
I'm facing some difficulty, not able to install it.
Okay, I'm sure.
Okay.
Okay.
All of this is Somak here. I'm just one
Yes.
second interrupting. Okay. There are people from Kaziranga University. Okay. They do have dinner time from 9 to 9:30. Okay.
Okay.
So if anyone wants to leave the sessions now, you can leave now. Though it is a recording, I will share. And second thing, we'll repeat all these in the next session also. Okay. So if anyone wants to leave the session, they can leave.
Okay, Shom.
And let me check with the developer's schedule, because today they was too much busy. In fact, they was with you in the project team. Okay, let me check the developer's availability. I hope so. Tomorrow again we'll start the session by 7 p.m.
Okay, Shomuk, I will plan with you. Okay.
Okay,
We'll
okay,
plan. Okay. Even initial few session I can take.
okay, okay.
Okay, so now I have login my account. Those who are new, actually, and many of you have got Java software from your friends and from your colleague and something. Okay, but the thing is, anytime you need the Java software, this is the main source of where we can get the Java software. Okay, so you click here. Just now it will be download actually. Okay, okay. So have you noticed it is downloading? Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Vijit, so if you definitely will get it, and otherwise I will share my user ID password, and so that you can also collect from there. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I'm Saurabh Sharma.
Tell me.
Sir, we are going for the dinner. So can you send the link of the video so that you can understand about the rest of the
Sure,
installation?
sure. Shomok sir will send the link. Okay.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so this is the, okay, you download it, go to it, unzip it. Okay, extract. Okay. This is the, okay, two-way software. One is that it is a copy paste software. Another thing is, okay, this is JDK, but it is a copy paste software. Okay, no issue. Now I am showing you actually. So majority of you have Java software. If anybody specific problem, and definitely guide you. And next is actually how we'll set up. Okay, I am showing you my computer how I've set up environment variable. This is required, and many cases it actually, if you do not do it, till your Java program will run. Okay, this is the advanced system properties. If you click here and go to environment variables. And if you, okay, all of you, this is the complete new and you are learning first time. So you note down it, what are the things is required in general. First is the, we need to set the, it is a basic user variables. Here you can set the your Java path. I have set up your JRE path. and JRE home C program GL. It means where is your Java software? Where is your Java software? And next comes to the path software. Okay, if I click here, this is the primary. Okay, at least you need to edit this. You click here and click on edit. So here actually this is the Java path is there. Okay, C program file Java, and if I set the JDK, and actually in that case, in this machine should have JDK, I think. One minute. JDK, or it is a JDK 7 is there. So bin. And this is up to this path. If it is a Java 8 version, then 1.8.0 something. Okay, your path, and this path you need to set in the environment variables. And here, if I set here like this, okay, this is the path will be there. This path need to set up. So if you set it, and you can just click it. And in that case, if you click it, it's okay. And now this is your Java installation will be complete. You can set the environment variable. After this, it is clear to everybody and how we are set up environment variable in computer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why it will be required? Many cases your Eclipse will work. But if you install like Eclipse Neon version, it will not work because of it will search your Java software in your machine. So if you set this path variable, and it will be automatically get path always. Next, I want to share it to Eclipse and what you need to do for Eclipse. Click here. So Eclipse, actually all of you need to do Eclipse software. You click here, Eclipse download. Okay. So Eclipse has a multiple version. Eclipse is the main IDE. Actually, it is used for entire Java development across the globe. Across the globe, it is the most popular software. Here, if you by default, it is showing the latest version. Okay, the latest version. It can work for your system, but you can avoid it since it is the latest version. Okay, you can click here, download packages. Click here if you want to need the older version. There is older version option is there. If I click here, okay, this is the versions. So these are the versions are very, very suitable, like Neon version, Oxygen version. Okay, these are the version, Mars version, Luna version. Okay, I have used so far all I have used, but you can experiment with the Eclipse Oxygen version with the Java 1.8. With Java 1.8, you can experience with the Java 1.8. Okay, it is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am going to stop. Come forward, anybody whose machine Eclipse is not working. Okay, come forward and share your screen. Whose machine Eclipse has not set up so far. Java is installed, but Eclipse is not set up. Or you are not known about the Eclipse how to work. And if you know, that's also good. Okay, please respond who already know how to work with Java Eclipse. Who do not know, they also respond, please.
I know.
Okay. Who is speaking, Moina?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody others like the Prapti, Rohi, Oshmita, in your machine, Eclipse is ready or not?
So it's installing.
Hmm?
It's installing.
Okay, it is installing.
Yes.
Okay. So any others? And if
So just started installing it.
Okay, make ready your system ready. Okay, let it install. Can you share your screen? So I have to say something. Okay, share your screen.
Sir, you're telling me?
Yes. Roy is there? Roy,
Yes, sir.
You share your screen. I want to whether Eclipse is working or not, actually, or you are installing and share your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So you click on Eclipse.
Sir, this one.
Okay. Eclipse, click Eclipse already installed. There is showing some shortcut.
No, sir. I installed it previously, but it's not working. Then I
Can
have
you click
installed
it?
this
Can I click it?
now.
Okay. Click it and
The previous one or the new one, sir?
okay. Previous one click. I want to check what is happening.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Click here and where it is getting stuck. I want to check.
Okay, sir. Sir, run.
Yes, yes. Click on none. Okay.
Nothing is happening, so I didn't.
Nothing is happening. It is staying silent. Okay, so actually this is the version. These are the very latest version. It creates some problem. One things. Oh no, something is happening. Wait. Okay, let it give some time. Okay, now it's working, I think. No, it is any other person who is saying? Okay, it is your machine.
Sir, it's me, Ruhi. Yes, sir.
Okay, no, it is installing showing. Actually, it is your machine or you are who changed? You are. It is showing the installing now.
So basically, before the lockdown, I gave my computer to my teacher. I think he had done
Okay,
this.
no issue.
I
Can you
had no
expand it?
idea.
Eclipse, can you expand? Can you all expand it? You expand this, make it
Yes,
in
sir.
box. So there is 3 icon minimum. Okay, click here. So it is a first Eclipse. Okay, so first I will ask you. You create a first project. This is the Eclipse ID, and actually I'll guide you if any of you are in this team and going to appear in TCS, NQT, or exam. And in that cases, we need to use some menu bar also. And in that case, because they make disable in TCS exams hall, actually they disable the right click actually. So I'll guide you what is the strategy you can use the Eclipse there. But first you can click on file, project of Java. Click on file. Okay, mouse is not moving.
Not open.
Okay, click. Yes, go to click here.
Yes.
It's coming. New. These steps are new Java project. Java project. Click here. Okay, click on Java project. Okay, so you can give a project name.
Sir.
Okay, you can give a project name. Name is very simple. Name will be started.
So what name should I?
You can use, it is your name. You can keep the Rohi's first Java project. Okay, Rohi's project, Java project. Okay, good. So actually you will notice in the right side, actually it is showing the how it is running. There is a JRE version, it has taken JRE 1.14. It is a already JDK 14 version. So your system, this system has a latest Java version is installed. Okay, JDK 15 version, 14 version is installed. JRE is also there. So you can click on next. Now you can click on next. Click next. Click finish. Click finish.
Then so create.
Yes, it's coming. Okay. Create module info, discourage module info. It is a, you can skip generate comments. Do not, you can create, click on create. Okay, 1 minute. We comments modules name usually start with a lowercase. Okay, module name start with a lowercase letter. Creating module info.java. Okay, module info. Okay, you can click on create.
Okay, sir.
Okay, click on finish. Finish. Okay, this is the first project has done. Okay, so this is your first project. You can right click, you can remove this module info.java, and you can right click SRC. You can right click in SRC. In SRC, right click. Is just right click will work. Okay. Go to Package Explorer, not type that. It is gone to wrong place. Package Explorer. Okay. Now right click SRC, or
Sir,
you can
SRC right click.
Yes, or you can click on Rohi Java project, right click. Click on Rohi Java project and right click. Yes, go to new, new. Yes, Java class. Right, the after package there is written a class. Java project, rectangle, package, class. Click here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and in package place you just write the actually you will get a, in Java there is a dedicated chapter called package. A complete is very simple. In future you will learn in detail. Package means actually it is a similar kind of Java classes we kept together. If you think about non-technical term, non-Java term, if anybody in today's world, everything has a package. Okay, any marriage will be happen, so marriaging package. Okay, couple will go to honeymoon, the honeymoon package. Okay, so any rituals, there is lots of package. So here actually what is the convention? That is a standard convention for the industry, how to give the package name, and it should be reverse of the company website. It should be reverse of the company website. What is the PCS Global website name?
Okay.
What is the, you tell me, then what is the PCS Global website name? PCS Global website name? Anybody know?
PCS
Global website name. Anybody know or do not know?
Yes, global.in.
Don't.
Okay, and we have another site, pcsgpl.com. pcsgpl.com. PCS Global Private Limited. It is the short name, pcsgpl.com. So if company name is pcsgpl.com, so project package name will be com.pcsgpl, right? com.pcsgpl in package place. If company is a tcs.com, and then we should write tcs com.tcs. Okay, so it is a new interesting thing you are going to learn. And
yes, sir. So it's com.pcs then
GPL. GPL. Yes, PCS GPL.
Sir, is it?
Yes. And then write dot. Okay, you can write even Rohi. PCS then Rohi. All will be small. All package will be in small character. write your name dot Java.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or you can write the Java learning or Java. So it is a package name. Actually, package is nothing but a folder actually. It is a folder like in your computer. You cannot keep everything in the default drive. And you make the song folder, games folder, and book folder, and everything a movie folder. Similar things you are creating the package. Okay, now give the name. In name, you can give the write the hello world. Hello world or hello Java program. It is the everybody learn first. Okay, and Java name will be start with the capital character. Java name will be start with the capital character. Hello world. The second word W will be capital. Rest will be small.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Is this?
Hello world. It is okay. It is completely okay. Now you need to click and finish. Now click on finish.
Okay, sir.
So this is your first Java program you are going to write. Okay, let it come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you notice, actually it's came to pcom.pchgpl.rohi.java, then hello world. Inside hello world, you write the code I am telling you because you are writing first time. Okay, inside hello world, keep mouse there. Okay, write public static void main.
Yes, sir.
Public static void main. Static, public static void main. Okay, here you need to write the brace, left brace, right brace, and inside it need to write string. Okay, write string args. S capital string, then paste, then args. Paste args array. Okay, so string string, not string. Java is
Sorry, sir. I misspelled.
Okay, now give the left brace, right brace, left brace, right brace. Enter. Yes. So you need to write here system.out.println. System.out.println. Hello. বসে বসে মাইনে দেবে বসে বসে কেন আমাদের মাইনে দেবে বুড়ি চায় না তুমি ঘুমাও আমি ঘুমাই আমার তো শেষ হয়েছে গতকাল কি যাওয়া দিয়েছে না কি দিয়েছে কি ব্যাচ দিয়েছে ওকে yeah ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ আমরা তো আগের ব্যাচে এইভাবে চালিয়েছি ওকে ঠিক ওকে Okay, so sorry, I got a call actually from my colleague. Okay, so this is the first program. This is the first program. Write something in the system.out.println in double quotes. Write something. Write something. Okay, this is my first program. Or you write any mess, okay, any sentence there. Write any sentence there.
Sir, as this is the first program, you tell me what should I
Okay,
write.
you should look. Okay, this is my first program, right? Okay, this is my first program. Okay, so actually the things is, it is your first program, Rohi. Hello, Rohi.
Yes, sir.
It is your first program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no, it is yours. You are writing first Java.
No, I'm not writing first Java program. Writing first in Eclipse.
Okay, first time in Eclipse. Earlier you have done any other editor or Notepad you have done, or command prompt maybe you have done program.
Sir, I have done in Notepad ++.
Okay, okay. So there is a question for everybody. Why will you use Eclipse? Actually, you think if you, when you will work for a project have a sometimes a few thousands Java class and few hundred Java class, and it is not practically possible. Or I will compile a program with the Java C program, Java C hello world.java and run Java hello world. It is practically possible or impossible if it is a 1000 Java class is there. It's possible.
No,
Not
sir.
possible, sir.
Okay. The actual again projects are staying connected to each other. Then it is impossible to work without IDE. And Eclipse is a most famous IDE and open source tool for Java development. On the platform of Eclipse, there are so many big software like the IBM OSPR, IBM actually Portal. There are lots of tool has been developed. Okay, Rational Software Architect, Rational RAD, Rational Development Architect, and there is multiple software has been developed on the platform of power of Eclipse. So Eclipse is the best tool, and all of you gradually now onwards, since you are coming to the industry, you will use Eclipse. Okay, so now how you will write the program, and before going to the program run, and we can explain the what of the line. First things, in while you are running in working in Java program, at the day one you cannot learn everything. Some things will be go upon your head. Don't worry. And Java is Java is called a fun language. It is a fun language because learning Java, there is some problem is there. What is the problem? Okay, do you want to know the problem? If you learn Java, and it will be create a problem for you also, everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Problem is actually if you work with the Java program 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, okay, few months, and actually you will be addicted with this programming, and it will be like an addiction. Again, if you this you cannot escape this addiction. This is the problem of the Java. So it is good or bad?
Good, sir.
Okay. And if you learn Java, in industry, whatever the next technology you learn, even it is a Salesforce, even it is a SAP, even it is a Python, even it is any programming language or any software development skill set, Java is the gateway. And if you learn Java, enter all is with you. And actually, I want to tell you, if you learn Java by heart, and what are the things you expect in your professional career, money, travel, fame, and your position in the industry, everything can give this technology to you. You can ask her, how are you telling it? Actually, when I started my career in Java in 2000, actually, I want to tell the real story. I came to MCA from mathematics honors background. Even and the first day in MCA, I do not know nothing about the computer. Okay, because I do not have any computer. So I do not know how to on in my first day experience in the lab. I do not know how to on computer. It was my experience. And actually the things is in MCA, first semester was a C programming language. I feel it is very tough. Second semester, it was a C++ programming language. I feel it is more tough. Again, in C, data structure was there. I feel it is a more tough. But initial 3 semester gone, okay, and so quick and faster, I am not able to catch the programming language. Then another programming language came to my semester, that is called COBOL programming. It is a completely obsolete in today's date. Okay, so COBOL programming came to my semester. So again, I feel too bored. And actually the things is, at the end, I got a programming language, Java, in my MCA 4th semester. Initially, I have a nature, actually, when I purchase any books, I read that books within 1 week from first to last, okay, whether I understand or not understand. It is my habit actually, but the things is, when I done the same things apply actually for Java programming, and some things it sparkled and came to my mind and body also, I realized that it is the programming language I am searching, and then gradually I search in Google also. And actually my curiosity was the which programming language can change my life. And it was a 2004, I started with the Java 1.2 version, and today you are working Java 1.14 version. So how many old version and how many upgradation happened, you have noticed. So 1.2 version, I have started my career, and actually entire my life has been built by Java programming language. So it is a tremendous powerful programming language, and across the world, everything, everywhere Java project is done. I want to share another story. In my organization, in TCS, one time I have done a survey. How many project in TCS is running on Java? Okay. Do you want to know that count, the statistics?
Yes, sir.
In 2018, I have done a survey because of I prepared a software and entered across global TCS how many projects are running. And it was 7,000 around project are running that time. And actually 6,700 something all projects are in Java. So if you remove Java, how many projects is very less. So all big projects, all big accounts, Java has that level of penetration, and you need to know Java. And in industry, there are lots of tool has been developed using Java. Okay, like Pega, like the Cypher, there are so many popular tool has been developed in Java. And even actually, if tomorrow you join any company, if company give you the system, at least one software should have your machine, that is JRE. Okay, so Java software is the default. Without Java, your many things, many softwares in your system will not work at all in company. So Java is de facto standard, and it is a compulsory for all. So that is the power of Java. Okay, so I think all of you are little bit much more interested to work in Java now or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, very much.
Okay, and actually all of you, I think this is all of you know how the Java name came to picture. Java actually, ultimately Java is a, when this programming language came to picture in 1995, and lots of name has been proposed. First, it is a name as something Sona or some Sonata something name proposed. Then it has been changed to another work in, and it was earlier in Sun Microsystem. Then it comes to 2010 to Oracle Corporation. Oracle purchased Sun Microsystem. But the things is, in Oracle office, in front of Oracle Sun Microsystem office, there is a very big oak tree. And initially, after Sonata, they decided they can propose programming language as a work. Then actually, gradually came to picture of the Java name. And Java ultimately, actually in Sun Microsystem, actually, so every people it copy, and those copy was export from Java Island from Indonesia, and actually so those senior person, that name catches to them actually their mind, and finally a decision comes, and everybody agreed the name of this program language as Java. Okay, so if you notice in Java symbol everywhere, if you notice there is a copy. Okay, there is some flame is copied. It is a that symbol. So that is the history of Java. And 1995 and 1996, then the first version comes, and gradually Java initially was not popular. Initially few years. Why not popular? Because if you write Java, sometimes need to write more coding. But the thing is, when Java came to the picture for web development, Java was the pioneer in web development. Initially, industry refused it because to do something development, huge line of coding need to write by developers. So industry refused it, but Java, Sun Microsystem not disheartened. They returned back with so many nice flavors, the JSP servlet technology, and actually lots of good flavor. And in 2004, a miracle happened. One big architect, his name is Joshua Bush, actually, that person, or it may be mistakes, another person, Craig McLachlan. Craig McLachlan, actually, that architect, he invented another framework called Struts framework in 2004. And when that framework came to the picture in the Java-based framework, it occupies entire world, and all web development come to Java. So entire all focus goes to from Microsoft VB to Java, and gradually it creates such a big revolution across the world. And yes, I am fortunate. I come to the IT industry in 2005 and work with the Java, and say actually it gives a huge mileage for me, and definitely it will give the same to you. And if you be expert and be and many programming language will be feel is very simple. Okay, that is the beauty of the Java. And Java, whenever Java is a really most addictive programming language. And actually if you work for few months, and you will be not able to escape this addiction in your entire life. And that is my realization. Okay, so next I want to finish because it is a long time, and actually hot explanation of this first program. So first program, at the beginning we are writing the package statement, package, and it is a name, package com.pcsgpl.rohi.java. You can give any name, but convention, it should be small character. Next is the public class hello world, and you have noticed some characters are some brown color also, because it is a keyword. It is a predefined keyword in a Java software. So public class, it is a keyword. Hello world is our program name, and any program or class name will be start with the capital character, and first character will be capital character, second character will be the capital also, second word. Then comes to the public static void main, and actually it has a big meaning, and definitely we'll discuss later. The public static void main, it is the entry point of a Java program. And public, since it is a public, here Java software has JDK has a different role, GRE has a different role, and actually to enter your program Java software, it needs to be main program to be public. And static, if it is when your first program is running, actually object is not created. So without object, we can access only static method, and that is the reason main method is static. Then comes void, since it is not returning anything. And stringers, we can do some command line argument program. Okay, definitely you will learn later. And then comes system.out.println and system.out.println, and we'll go in future in depth. Actually, it is an inbuilt library class in Java Lang package system. Then out is an object of print writer. Okay, we'll learn later. And if we write printing something, we need to write system.out.println, and within double quote the message. So this is the explanation of your first program. I hope everybody it is clear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you run the program, right click on the hello world. Okay, in the left side, click on the program, right click. Yes, here in the left side, in the tree structure, left side. Or you can click on in the middle of the program. Okay, any right click. Here you can right click. Right click in your mouse. Okay, 1 minute. You can click on the blank area. Okay, blank area. Yes, right click. Okay, go to the run as go to the run as Java application. Okay, click here. So you are not writing here Java C, Java. Actually, you are not writing anything. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, so it is the output and everything your work. Actually, internally, it is first it is doing the compilation and then it is doing the execution. Okay, so 2 command is fired. Actually, one is Java C program name, another is Java command. So now this is the output and this is called console. And this is the first familiarity with the editor and this editor is the standard for Java development. So I think it is all of you are get actually knowledge and how we'll work with this editor and first program. So I think Shomak, you are there.
Yes, Alok, I'm there.
Okay, so today is the first day. I think so they are familiar here and definitely we can guide them again next day. We can plan.
Okay. So guys, let me inform you the next session's time. Hope so it will be on tomorrow evening. I'll inform you via WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
And I'll upload this video in YouTube and I'll share the link also within next half an hour.
Okay, one thing, Shomak, you can do. I will ask you, Shomak, if it is possible, since they are campus recruited resource, can you create a private channel and so that they can get in privately? It will be better for them.
Yes, I'll do it.
Okay, do not make it public.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay. Thank you to
So
all
will
of
I
you.
stop sharing?
Yes, you can stop sharing.
Okay, so thank you so much, Alok.
Thank
and
you.
Let me end up the meeting. Okay, so all of you, please try to complete the installation, and we'll meet again on tomorrow evening.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
bye-bye and good
Okay,
night.
sir.
And Abhijit and Ashmita, please come office on tomorrow.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
okay, sir.
So actually, I am coming tomorrow in office also. So it will be good experience to meet with you.
Okay,
Sure,
okay.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good to see you.
Okay. Actually, keep some time in your hand. Actually, I have a multiple place I will go tomorrow. So and actually, second half most probably I will be there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you. Okay. And you start a very good, promising career. Okay. And wish you all the best, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you very
sir.
much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye and good night.
Good night,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Good
Good
night, sir.
night,
Good
sir.
night.
Yes.
Good night.